Raise your hand if you think any of the people who are protesting here or hollering are going to go vote for Trump. Come on.
Joe, how you doing?
Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Well, then they didn't support what Bernie stands for.
Well, we have to make the two parties more relevant. They have to be for real change and not just for aggrandizement of power. Thank you.
Hillary Clinton she's so well respected in the world, and she understands our national security. Our first responsibility is to keep the American people safe, and we can do that best by working with our allies throughout the world.
Hillary Clinton's going to win because America can simply not afford a Donald Trump. Donald Trump talks about that we've got to take our country back. I don't know what that means.
America faces a very big decision, because from my point of view, we have someone on the other side running for president who is opposed to the idea America.
I think that the email situation is an embarrassment at the start of the convention, just like Melania Trump's speech was an embarrassment for the Republicans. But if more emails are released, then it might become a significant story.
I think anywhere between 60 to 80% of Bernie Sanders supporters will vote for Hillary Clinton. That's not a very good number. It should be 90, 95. But a lot of them are very sick of this corrupt system, and they don't like it. They know Hillary Clinton won't change it. They're not wrong about that. They are wrong that if they don't vote for Hillary Clinton, in my opinion, because then Donald Trump can win, and he would make the system far worse.
I've met with a lot of Bernie supporters who say this is their first time at a convention. This is their first time feeling a part of the process. They're supportive of Secretary Clinton. So I think that it's going to be a good year and convention in terms of setting the stage for electing our first woman president.
I'm a Hillary supporter. I was a Hillary supporter in 2008, and I remember how it felt after we lost. It doesn't feel great. But eventually you realize you're far better off with President Obama, and he's done a fantastic job in my judgment.